The SMRT equipment stands for Scrap Material Recycling Team. The invention of this equipment was really just to pick up scrap ties, but we're ever evolving. We're not tied to just being able to do one thing with it. We're looking at all the options. There's some brush cutting attachments. We have magnets to pick up the metal, the spikes, the anchors. We have the ability to load these cars with ballast. We're just hitting the tip of the iceberg of what we really can do with this. Tie gang comes in, they do their magic, they change the ties, they make the track look beautiful, and then we're gonna try to do the same thing with the right-of-ways. When we go along a territory, when we leave that territory, it looks 100% different and better in every single way than before we got there. The beauty for me is this is something that we used to contract out. Now we bring this back in-house, we create jobs for our own employees, then that just gives them extra motivation to be successful, to be safe, to do the right thing, to come up with new ideas, and then we just continue to keep that ball rolling, and who knows where that stops. Because of this piece of equipment, it gives me a new appreciation for what the railroad's doing technologically to give us the newest, latest, and greatest tools to be able to go out there and do our job safer, more efficient, and look pretty cool doing it. I love what we do here, and I can't wait to see what we do